Best Online Earning Ideas 2023. Dear friends, online earning has become a popular trend in the current digital world. With the rise of the internet, there are numerous ways to make money online. In this script, we will discuss the 10 best online earning methods. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great option for people with skills in web development, graphic design, writing, or social media management. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer opportunities for freelancers to sell their skills to clients from around the world. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is another way to earn money online. With websites like tutor.com and Chegg, you can provide tutoring services in subjects you are knowledgeable about. Selling products online. Selling products online is a great way to make money. You can sell your own products through websites like Amazon and Etsy, or become an affiliate marketer and earn a commission on products you promote. Content creation. Content creation can be a lucrative option for people with a passion for writing, photography, or videography. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Medium offer opportunities for content creators to monetize their work. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing technique where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's product. You can sign up for affiliate programs on websites like Amazon, Flipkart, or ClickBank, and start earning money. Online surveys. Participating in online surveys is a simple way to earn money online. For more online earning videos, please support my channels to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family members. Companies pay for consumer opinions and insights, and websites like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks offer opportunities for people to earn money by taking surveys. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without actually holding any inventory. You partner with a supplier who handles the storage and shipping of the products. Websites like Shopify and AliExpress offer opportunities for people to start a dropshipping business. Investing in stocks. Investing in stocks is a long-term strategy to make money online. You can invest in stocks through websites like Robinhood, E-Trade, or TD Ameritrade. Online trading. Online trading is another way to earn money through investments. You can trade stocks, forex, or cryptocurrency through online trading platforms like Coinbase and Kraken. Online gambling. Online gambling is a risky way to make money online, but it can be lucrative for those who are skilled and knowledgeable about the games they play. Websites like Betway and 888 offer opportunities for people to gamble online. Conclusion. Online earning provides numerous opportunities for people to make money from the comfort of their homes. With the rise of the internet, the options for online earning are only going to increase. So, choose the method that suits you best and start earning money online today.